QuickBooks Self-Employed walkthrough. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to guide you key features of QuickBooks Self-Employed. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So QuickBooks Self-Employed is an accounting tool designed for freelancers, contractors, and small business owners to help manage income, expenses, and taxes. Here's a walkthrough to guide you through its features. Step 1. Setup and dashboard. If you're a new user, create an account with basic details like name, email, etc. If you're returning, simply log in. After logging in, the system will ask about your business structure, industry, and other basic information. This is crucial for tracking income and expenses automatically. Connect your bank, PayPal, or credit card accounts to allow QuickBooks to pull in transactions. Step 2. Tracking income and expenses. This is where all your linked transactions will show up. Or QuickBooks automatically categorizes some transactions, but you may need to manually adjust categories like meals and entertainment or advertising. You can create rules to automatically categorize transactions in the future. Step 3. Invoicing. Head to the Invoices tab to create professional invoices or add your client's details, services rendered, payment terms, and amounts. Once the invoice is created, you can email it directly to your clients. QuickBooks allows you to track when invoices are sent, viewed, and paid. Step 4. Tax features. QuickBooks automatically organizes your transactions into IRS compliant categories to help you track your deductions. The system will give you estimated quarterly taxes based on your income and expenses. You can generate tax summary reports to see income, deductions, and tax liability. Step 5. Reports. QuickBooks Self-Employed offers a variety of reports to help manage your finances, such as see how much money you're making and spending, or view your tax deductible expenses and income, or breakdown of all your expenses by category. Step 6. Mobile app. The QuickBooks Self-Employed mobile app provides the same features as the desktop version, but also includes GPS-based mileage tracking. It allows you to capture receipts and categorize expenses on the go. So that's QuickBooks Self-Employed walkthrough. That's all for this video.